Hello guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a PowerPoint or presentation using your cell phone. The app is pre-installed on iPhones. It's called Keynote. It looks something like this. So when you get started, when you press it, you're going to of course press the plus button at the top, and it brings up the list of presentation themes that you can choose from. There's a few of them here. You can pick any one. We're gonna scroll back up and we're just gonna go with the classic, I guess. Yes, so we're gonna go with the classic. So click on the classic and this is what pops up. So to start typing, of course you double tap like it says and you insert whatever you need to insert. So just type. So after you type, you can see at the top you have like a little subtitle line. I'm just going to delete that because we're not really going to use that. And on the side, I'm just going to put by Ashley. That's the name we're using for today. So now we're going to click here and click on the little paintbrush at the top, and it gives you all of these options. You have style, you have text arrange, you have these different things that you can do, how you basically want it to look. I'm just changing the border, to show you some things that you can do. You can change your background, you can change your font, how big it is. You can underline it, make it bold, put a line through it, you can italicize it. You can do all of these different things. So now we're going to click on the little plus bottom to the bottom left hand corner, and it just gives you more slides that you would like to add. You can choose anything once again for your next slide. We're just going to choose this one, which is just a simple title. You can do like the little description box and then with the picture. So you put the title in, which I named this slide title. You describe what it is or put a definition or explanation. You can do anything right here. So I just put, this is where you would describe what you're talking about. Then on towards the right, you obviously can change that picture. If you press the plus sign, it brings up your gallery. And you can put any picture right there. Of course, it will be related to your topic. And then once again, you can go and change the background, the style, the text, the font, the color. We're just going to do this gradient color, and we're just going to change what color it changes to. We're going to make it from white to this dark reddish color. Yeah, I like that. So now we're going to add another slide, and I guess we'll do the quote slide that's right here at the bottom. So it says type a quote here, and then it says Johnny Appleseed. So you type whatever quote that you would like. You have to erase that, of course. You will type the quote that you want here. And then at the bottom below it, where it says Johnny Appleseed, you will obviously, of course, change that to whoever the quote was said by. So I have all 3 of my slides now. So I'm going to click the 3 dots at the top. And here you can see you have a variety of options. One option in particular, you can share this slide, in case you're doing a project with a group of people. They'll have access to the project and they'll be able to edit and things like that. So now that I go back, you see at the top there's a play button. I'm just going to click that. It brings up this. It lets you know you can highlight and do other things. So we're going to try to highlight this. You touch and hold, and there it goes. I'm just going to circle it just to give a little example. And now I'm going to go back and I'm going to start the slideshow from the beginning. And I'm just going to click through it. And click again, and then there you have my slideshow. So now that I've finished, I want to go back to the 3 dots at the top, and I can obviously save this or share it or send it to someone, or I can just go back and I can click the very top button and it would just save it automatically.